Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send an email using the email address generated by Hide My Mail. So actually, you can't use the same hidden address, mail address, the same one over and over again. You can just respond to messages, to mails actually, using your hidden mail. But you can't do the new ones. Then let me enter the mail application and show you how does it work. Here if we go to your inbox, and here for example someone sent us a mail. Here as you can see we have something from SoundCloud. You can respond to the mail using this hidden email. Here reply, and here you can reply tapping here and selecting this hidden email. But to send the other emails to other persons, like to send, we can use new emails, new and new over and over again. To do so, we have to at first go to this icon here to create a new mail, type some mail to send, and here we have to tap and extend this menu. Here we do have from, we have to tap that, and here from the list, as you can see, I don't have iCloud bot, so I don't have a second mail, but here you have to just select your other mail, which is this hidden one. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and if you have some questions, ask them in the comments below. Goodbye!